Welcome back to the Continue to Build series. In this lesson, we are going to modify the time frame of the custom project from the hourly chart to the 30-minute chart. Let's get started. In the last lesson, I provided you with a custom project that outputted a gold strategy for the hourly chart. Let's go check that out. Go to custom projects, and here's that custom project for gold. Okay, and this one right here is for the hourly chart. Now, let's say you wanted to make it for a different time frame. In this lesson, I'm going to do it for the example of the 30-minute chart, but the concept is the same for any time frame. So let's follow along and change it to the 30-minute time frame. And you can use that concept the same for if you wanted to change it to a daily strategy or a 15-minute chart. The process is the same. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Clone Custom Project. Okay, now we've got our custom project and we're going to rename it to the 30-minute. So M30, and then click on Save. Okay, so there's the first step. We can now differentiate those custom projects. We click on this one right here and go to Modify Symbols. Now, what you're seeing here, this UTC plus 2 time frame on the hourly, the minute 30, and the hourly 4. Okay, those are the three things that we're going to change. But right here in between, we can see this gold hour 1, minute 30, and hour 4. Okay, we're going to tidy this up right here. This is inside the custom project, and it is under the cross checks, under the backtest on additional markets. As you can see, this is actually not checked, but by default these are added. So what we're going to do is we're just going to tidy this up, and we're just going to delete it, and we're going to click on Save, and we're going to do that and go through all of these, and you will see that this will tidy it all up, and it will not be on the modifying symbol page once we've done all that. So I'm going to do that and then come back and show you the tidied up version. So I'm finished now. I went through all of the tasks and into the additional market section, and I deleted all those additional currencies for the no UTC plus 2, just regular UTC that are put there by default. And I go back to modifying symbols, and we can see that one has now disappeared because we're not building a strategy on that. We're not even using that. They're just put there by default. Sometimes they're just made generated by default. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press copy and paste, and copy and paste them into this column right here. So these I'm going to copy into here the same, and then this is where I'm going to change it. Okay, so how am I going to change it? So the hourly chart, all those charts are going to change to 30 minutes. This one right here, the minute 30, is going to change to a 15-minute chart, and the hourly 4 will change to the hourly 1. So in this case, we'll start off like this. I can say copy paste, and we can change that to the hourly 1 chart. So now hourly 4 will change to hourly 1, and we want this one right here, the 30-minute chart. We want that to be the time frame that we're trading on, so those are all going to change to minute 30. And this is the only one right here that we're actually going to type something new. This is going to change to the 15-minute chart, 1-5, and then I click on Save. And now it says project symbols updated, and I can go into here, and now we can see build strategies. We can see this is the minute 30, and we go on to this one, minute 30, Minute 30, this one right here, it says minute 30, but it should be minute 15, and it is. And so we're going to have to modify the name of this one right here, just so it makes sense. You can modify this or not, you just have to remember what that one's all about. And this one, hourly 4, should be the 1 hour chart, and we can see that it is. So that is how you modify all the time frames in the you can do that for symbols as well, and you can do it for any time frame, and that's the quickest way to do it. Strategy Quant offers a 2-week trial period for free. If you decide that you want to buy it after the trial period, use these coupon codes, which I will put in the link in the description below, for $180 off if you want to use the 12-month payment plan, and $200 off if you want to buy it in one lump sum. Again, I will put those links in the description below. The coupon codes are Strategy Quant $180 off plan, and that's if you're doing a 12-month payment plan, and Strategy Quant 200 off if you're using a one-time payment when you buy the software. I want to thank everyone for watching. Thanks for being fans of the channel. Thanks for pressing the like button and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.